Hello, today we will discuss our chapter number 2, that is logic gates and logic families. Okay, in that we will see first what is mean by logic gates, and in the last section we will see what is mean by logic families. So let's start with the first topic, that is logic gates. So first of all, first understand what is mean by logic gate. The definition of logic gate. This logic gate is nothing but an electronic circuit or device which accepts or which takes one or more than one input and produces only one output. Okay, so the definition of logic gate is that it is an electronic circuit or the device which takes one or more than one input but produces only one output. ओके, सो याला एकापेक्षा एक किंवा एकाहून अधिक इनपुट्स असू शकतात, परंतु याचा आउटपुट मात्र एकच असाय. Now let's see what are the various logic gates are there. So logic gates are divided into three main categories. In that, first, basic gates. The second one is universal gate. And the third one is derived gates. These are the three main categories of logic gates. First is the basic gates, second one is the universal gates, and the third one is the derived gates. Okay, in that there are three basic gates, and these are AND, OR, and NOT. These are the three basic gates. Now there are two universal gates, that is NOR and NAND. Okay, and there are two special purpose gates, also called as a derived gates, and these are XOR and XNOR. These are also called as special purpose gates. Okay, so these are various types of gates. There, let us see first, that is what is mean by basic gates and its related theory. Okay, so let's start with the first, that is basic gates. Now the first basic gate is your NOT gate. Let us see its symbol. Okay, NOT gate is shown like this. Okay, so this is the symbol of NOT gate. This is nothing but input denoted by the letter A, and its output, suppose it is Y, which is equal to A bar. Okay, also denoted by the letter, this can also be written as A dash. Okay, the meaning of this is that whatever is the input given to this gate, it will be inverted. So it's a complement form of the input. Okay, so this is called as a complementary output. This is A as an input. So we can write it like this: input and output. This is the only one gate which has only one input and only one output. In this case, it has only one input and has only one output. Its input and output are complement of each other. Meaning, if suppose A takes the value 0, then its output will be 1. If A takes the value 1, its output must be 0. So this is what the theory associated with this gate. So now, after taking into consideration the symbol, we will see its equation. The second one is its equation. Its equation is represented as y is equal to a bar, also denoted as the letter a cap. Okay, and this is nothing but complement of input. कॉम्प्लिमेंट किंवा निगेशन असंही म्हटलं जातं. Okay, this is also called as a complement or negation. Now this is first, this is second, and the third one is truth table. So first of all, understand what is meant by truth table. Truth table is nothing but a table which consists of rows and columns. Okay, in that the first is input and the third and second one is output. Okay, as we know that we are actually considering the binary number system, so we have only two possible numbers, that is 0 and 1, and we know that what is the base of binary number system? It is 2. Okay, so we need to consider only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. So if suppose A as an input here and its output is a bar, so how many possible combinations of input will be there? There are only one input, base is 2 raised to 1, that is equal to 2. So there are only two possible inputs, that is 0 and 1. So if A is 0, the output of NOT gate is 1. If the input A is equal to 1, then the output is 0. So this is the truth table of NOT gate. Okay, so this is very simple. Just invert. So this is the truth table of NOT gate. Okay, similarly we have to see the symbol, equation and truth table for another gates. I hope you will understand this. So let us start with the next one, that is AND gate. Here the second one is AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is likewise. If suppose A and B are the inputs and this is Y as an output. Okay, sorry. So this is the symbol of AND gate. Clearly see the symbol. Okay, there are two inputs, but it is not mandatory that it has only two inputs. It may contain n number of inputs. So you can also show like this. AND gate has A, B, C, like it has n inputs, and but its output is only 1. And what is the output? Its output is nothing but A into B. If suppose we are considering only two inputs, then its output is nothing but the product of A and B. Okay, so this is nothing but the equation. The output Y is equal to A into B. So from this you will come to know that AND gate is equivalent to the multiplier. Okay, because its output is the multiplication of the inputs. Okay, so here we can write it is similar to the binary multiplication. Okay, now see its truth table. Here we have shown how many inputs. There are two inputs. So here possible combinations are 2 raised to 2, that is equal to 4. So this is nothing but the possible inputs, possible input combinations. So here our truth table will become modified. So here input A, here there are two inputs A and B, but only one output, okay, which is shown by the letter Y. Okay, so here how many possible combinations? 4. So we can write 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So these are the 4 possible combinations. Okay, for that we have to find the output of the AND gate. Okay, so 0 into 0, output will be 0. 0 into 1, output will be 0. 1 into 0, output will be 0. And 1 into 1, output will be 1. So this is nothing but the truth table of AND gate. I think it is very easy to understand. It is, the output is very easy. That is nothing but A into B. It is the multiplication of the given inputs. Okay, likewise. So if you understood these two gates, now let us start with the third gate, that is OR gate. Now its symbol is suppose A and B are the inputs. This is the OR gate and this is the 1, that is equal to A plus B. So this is the equation, that is A plus B. So in OR, the output is nothing but the addition of the given inputs. So its output will be A plus B. Okay, it is also having n inputs. So it is not mandatory that it must have only 2 inputs. Okay, so we can write it is, its output is nothing but the binary addition. Okay, now see its truth table. Here we have shown 2 inputs, so possible combinations are again 4. So our input table will remain as it is, only output table will change. Here A plus B, so 0 plus 0 will be 0. Okay, what is the value of 0 plus 1? It is 1. 1 plus 0 again 1. Now what is the value of 1 plus 1? We know in binary 1 plus 1 will be, here 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Its actual output is like this, but here we represent it by the carry 1. जरी याचे ॲडिशन 1 plus 1 1 0 1 असली जे आपण यापूर्वी पाहिलेलं आहे, परंतु आपण इथे 0 न लिहिता इथे काय लिहितो? कॅरी लिहितो. So please understand this particular thing. So the output of this OR gate is nothing but 0 1 1 1. Okay, so I think this is again understood by you, which is very easy to remember. We have to remember only these 3 important things, that is its symbol, its equation and its truth table. These are 3 basic gates. I hope you understand these basic gates. Thank you.